all you cool cats and kittens. It's Carole at Big Cat Rescue, and today Hoover is going out to his outdoor enclosure. He is just sick to death of being in the hospital cage, and so he's going to be moving out here to be closest to the Enrichment Center, first in line for all those good treats, and that'll give him a long cage down the side of the Enrichment Center, which is on the far side there, and then the next two enclosures. So each one of those enclosures is about 1,800 square feet. Oh, I'm losing my blanket. And plus the additional, 1,000 or so square feet of down the side of that thing. So he's going to have plenty of room, lakeside breezes, beautiful lakeside view. He can watch everybody going to and from vacation rotation, and I think he's going to like it a lot. Amanda is moving forward or north a couple of cages, so she'll be in that center section, which would make it really fast for her to go to vacation rotation because she'll be right there at the tunnel door. And then Sapphire, the white tiger, is in the 2 or 3 cages that are at the farthest north end of that group. Catherine just called me and said they got Hoover into the transport cage, so I'm glad to hear that he wasn't dopey from his pain medicines and that they were able to get him in there and get him shut in. So I have a hitch on my cart and I'm driving it up there so that they can hook him to my carts. So everybody grab a drink and some chips and share this with everybody to let them see Hoover finally going back outside. Gotta love that. I apologize for the wind noise. That must be pretty awful. I wasn't thinking about the fact that I was needing to drive fast and I don't have my windscreen any longer. It rotted and fell off. We still got to work on Duchess's enclosure. The hot wire is in the shade too much, and so it's not getting enough of a charge, so she's being locked in her roof section until we get that fixed. And we're going to pull the hot wire box off of one of the other cages and see if we can mount it someplace where it gets more sun. It's a great problem that we have here. There's too much shade. It's nice and cool for the cats though. Uh-oh, I'm here and I don't see anybody. Oh, there's some people. And we're live. I hope it's not just us. Okay, my brake's on.
We're waiting for you.
And I need to launder a really heavy blanket. This thing's full of magnets, and it's been like 2 decades since it's been cleaned because it's never been cleaned. I bought it, and never is.
We can throw it in the one at Cliff.
Thank you. We just had a life lesson from Gail last night on how to run all of the equipment at the sanctuary, and one of them was the great big huge washer and dryer that we have. It's a big commercial one. This blanket won't work in anything else, and the dry cleaning people say that they're afraid of the magnets that are in it. They say, in fact, it was the only time they've ever seen anybody bring a blanket that was lined with magnets. It's supposed to help you sleep. I sleep like a baby, so I'm guessing it works. It's been in a duvet cover all this time. It's not like I don't wash my linens. The duvet cover gets washed all the time. It's just that heavy blanket never does. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
He's got a lock on the front. We've mastered the loading of Hoover.
Well, I was delighted that he wasn't so dopey that he wouldn't get up there.
No, he, once we got him woke up.
Is it awake? Is that Hoover awake? So, taking all in stride.
I'm going to pull up just a little bit so I can get this cupcake. Yeah. And the ratchet strap too?
Make sure it's in forward.
I did. Okay. What a good boy. No boy, but he's a good boy. Alrighty.
If he'll drive, I'll film him.
Yeah.
Or I can drive and you can
Nope.
film him.
Afton, you want to drive? You can sit back here with me.
We'll get a better view.
There's room for both of us. Yep, that's what I was going to do too. Alright.
Felt it push up against
Actually, here, if you step on this part, it actually gives you a little bit more leverage.
That's really awkward. Oh, that's
There we go.
scary.
A lot less scary, I gotta tell you.
I don't know. It's pretty scary to me. In her other life, she was a surfer.
There you go. Sure.
Is that fun to watch?
Surfer's like, I don't know what you guys are doing.
He's like, you know I live here, right?
Nope. New digs, bud. New digs.
You're such a good player. Making this all in stride. You okay? Yeah, Catherine mentioned today at our staff meeting that we only have the one outdoor hospital cage, and it's really the bottleneck for what we do here. So we were talking about fundraising things that we need to do in the future. One of them is building another hospital cage. But we're thinking that the next one we want to put way away from that area because our hospital is up by Food Prep, which is like the top of the sanctuary, and when you got a cat that's not feeling very well already, you don't really want to stress them out with all that racket. It's nice to be able to check on them every few minutes, but we can do that with cameras now, whereas back when we built that, we couldn't. Guys go to bigcatcams.com. He's going to have his own dedicated webcam. And I looked at that webcam in the middle of the night last night, and I noticed there's like that sawgrass is up in front of it. So if we could tear that down.
They cleaned that out today
Oh, good.
when they were getting it ready for, yep. Yeah, they were in there this morning, first thing this morning when we moved Amanda. They've been in there cleaning it out for her, so, yep. Yeah, we know all his peeps are going to want to see him.
We just have to figure out some way to get you to lay in front of the camera.
He does like that platform. We might need to drop the platform down, or drop the camera down though, because he likes to lay in the shade under the platform.
Oh,
So we might just drop the camera down a little bit.
that's a good idea. He's not usually one to fuss with stuff.
No,
Not when we're looking at play.
not when we're looking. Or not when it's not something heavy.
Yeah. Well, we certainly wish that he could live in the wild too, but any cat born in a cage is doomed to live the rest of their life in cages because they have to be taught how to stay with people mostly by their moms. And even though we can rehab and release orphaned bobcats and small cats, if they run into a person in the wild, it's not going to be a big deal. But if somebody messes up rehabbing a tiger, brings it back to the wild, it's going to kill somebody, and then other tigers are going to get killed because people won't know which cat did it. So sadly, he is stuck for the rest of his life in a cage, but we're going to try and make it as good an experience as possible for him. And our main goal here is to end the practice of breeding these cats for life in prison. Where's all your help?
That's right behind you.
Oh, okay.
They were waiting for the golf cart to stop.
There's just 3 of us.
No, they were waiting for the golf cart to stop. You want to just take it off? Oh, I guess we're going to use it.
Yeah, we definitely got muscle now. Not that Afton and Catherine couldn't have probably done it by themselves.
Oh, it would have been just more difficult. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
There is a page
just
that
can't
talks
stand
about
to the
all of
side of
those
it,
issues
yeah.
at bigcatrescue.org/go-free. Because, man, we sure wish they could go free, but
At least it didn't rain.
it's not legal, it's not ethical, and it's not even feasible. Woo! You're on the spinny ride. You're gonna have to be lined up a lot straighter, or you're gonna hit the walls.
Oh. I need to see. Yeah. That way a little bit. You still need it that way?
Yeah, about 6 more
Okay.
inches.
Push it back this way again.
Does it even go through that? Do you have to open that?
It does.
He does look surprisingly alert for somebody on pain meds.
Towards the
Speaking of pain meds, Jamie's been flat on her back in New Orleans ever since the Dave Matthews concert. She was not able to fly home because she can't sit, so they rented a huge SUV so that she can lay flat on her back all the way to Tampa. Victor's going to be driving 10 hours, and I'm guessing they left about an hour and a half ago from New Orleans.
Okay, hang on.
Maybe you should put Catherine and Afton at the front.
But this is the steering end.
Oh,
Yeah, that's not always everybody's thing.
Not all of us are good steerers.
If you want to hold it, we can just push it. He's pouting.
is that his pouty face?
'Cause They were nice to me to get me in here, but I didn't like it.
I was tricked.
Water. He doesn't like water. Like I don't spray him, I just spray in his
Okay,
vicinity.
cut it this way a little bit.
It's usually all it takes is the side of a hose.
Good?
Yep, straight.
Yeah.
Hang it. Wait. I'm going to hold this down.
Oh yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Back up.
Hold it back up a little. Okay, now can you? Ooh, man, that's close.
That is super close.
And that's all the muscle I got. Oh my goodness. And right into the tree.
Now we need to go.
What's going on?
Hi.
This just doesn't look like we've done this before. I mean, it doesn't, I don't think we've ever had anything this big back here.
Yeah, we pushed Amanda in here.
And when it was
That looks like it's leaning an awful lot.
so we need to come this way.
Alright.
Got it now.
Really close to the tree there.
Smooth sailing. All for you, bud. And then just give us like 4 feet before we actually make it up there.
We have to put a little snap gate at the bottom so that he can't slip out the bottom.
Okay. Alright.
He has 2 pools, 2 dens. He's got a low den there and a high den there. And then way down there at the end of the enclosure, you'll see his platform. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4 platforms. And the one that's way down there is where the camera is. It's on the right-hand side of that, pointing toward the lake. So when he's out there, that's where you guys will be able to see him. Yeah, there's two types of doors on this one. One that you can lift straight up, which is the one that they'll be using. And then we have a sliding door too back here on the back, so it slides side to side. Yes, Joseph lived here before. Catherine said Hoover lived here before.
Or there's a pole over there. Grab that.
I'm thinking Reno Leopard was probably the first cat who lived back here.
You want me to go ahead and her and I push?
Let me pop the lock because I'm not going to be able to get to it. I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to pop it.
It's turning an awful lot.
Yeah, I tried for it to turn a little bit.
Okay, now after push your corner that way.
Oh, look at you guys.
Got about 3 inches straight ahead. Okay, we're good. Yeah.
So next they'll put on a ratchet strap so that he doesn't kick the transport cage away from the wall. She's in a really narrow spot there, so it's a good thing he's not a mean tiger.
Oh, but yeah, where did that come from?
I have never been able to figure out the ratchet strap. It's like magic.
What's that? I don't know, ladies. And men.
Oh, it has an angle on it. That's a good thing.
Oh, good.
Yeah?
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Somebody want to be on that other door? Or are you trying to get him in the front section?
Hopefully he goes
Oh,
through
well, I
the
guess
tunnel.
it depends
I'm
on which
hoping
way
he's
it goes.
going through the tunnel.
I'm gonna give him some
This
space
way, sir.
Yeah. Heck yeah, I don't want to be in there.
Buddy, this way, hon. Give him a second.
I'm going to go around there. Maybe he'll move away from me. He'll be able to flirt with Amanda next door. Amanda has this cage, that cage. You want to go down there? You don't want me messing with you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not good for me to be here. Oh, man. You need to go someplace else. Yeah, we've got it. Even though it's 87 degrees out, it's just really nice weather. It's breezy. He's as far as he can get from us. Carol, get out of the way. You guys could get some work done. like he's not coming back out. Oh, there he is, under his platform, just like she said he would be. So we'll have to move that camera down there. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you later.